Hello and welcome to this video on Why 98% of People Do Not Succeed, a Warren Buffett Inspiration Story. Warren Buffett is known as one of the most successful investors in the world. He is often referred to as the Oracle of Omaha, and his net worth is estimated to be over $100 billion. However, his success did not come easily. In fact, he faced many challenges and obstacles on his path to success. In this video, we will explore some of the reasons why 98% of people do not succeed and what we can learn from Warren Buffett's journey. Hard work and persistence. One of the key traits that Warren Buffett possessed was hard work and persistence. He began his investment journey at a young age and spent countless hours researching and analyzing companies. He also made many mistakes along the way, but he did not give up. He learned from his mistakes and kept moving forward. Most people are not willing to put in the necessary work and effort to achieve their goals. They often give up too easily when faced with obstacles or setbacks. However, success requires hard work and persistence. We must be willing to put in the necessary time and effort to achieve our goals. Patience. Another trait that Warren Buffett possessed was patience. He did not make impulsive decisions and always took a long-term view. He understood that successful investing required patience and discipline. Most people are not patient enough when it comes to achieving their goals. They want instant gratification and often give up too soon. However, success takes time, and we must be patient and persistent in our efforts. Risk-taking. Warren Buffett was not afraid to take risks. He often invested in companies that were undervalued and unpopular. He also had the courage to invest when others were afraid. Most people are risk-averse and do not like taking chances. They prefer to stay in their comfort zone and avoid any potential risks. However, success often requires taking calculated risks. We must be willing to step out of our comfort zone and take chances if we want to achieve our goals. Conclusion. In conclusion, Warren Buffett's success was not due to luck or chance. It was a result of his hard work, persistence, patience, and willingness to take calculated risks. Most people do not succeed because they lack these traits. They are not willing to put in the necessary work and effort. They are not patient enough, and they are not willing to take calculated risks. However, we can learn from Warren Buffett's journey and apply these traits in our own lives. With hard work, persistence, patience, and a willingness to take risks, we can achieve our goals and succeed in life.